Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno 2, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, open up Settings, and then let's scroll down to Fingerprint, Face, and Password. Tap on Fingerprint down here, and tap on Add Fingerprint. Now before you will actually be able to add a fingerprint, you will also have to add an additional way to unlock the device, so PIN, password, pattern, something along those lines. Let's tap on it. And by default, it defaults to a 6-digit passcode, but you can change it to other encryption method. And you have basically a plethora of options here. I'm gonna stick with pattern, and draw the pattern, redraw the same pattern once more. And now I get to scan my finger. So to start scanning, you want to first scan the middle of your finger primarily. You want to make sure that it has a good read of your finger all around. And then I basically adjust the holding position, and now I will scan the outside of my finger, like the edges. And you can see that it's done. And now when you lock the device and unlock it, you have two ways of unlocking it, either with your fingerprint like so, or with the passcode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.